Hello everyone, welcome to Rabia's Easy Drawing. Let's learn fruits. So first of all, we are drawing an apple. Apple. E for apple. Now we are using green color to fill here and in the leaf. Green color. Green color. Now we are using red color. Red color. After drawing apple, we are drawing our next fruit, which is grapes. Grapes. Okay, do you know the types of grapes? Grapes can be in green color, in purple color, in red color,
Hickory dickory dock.
let's draw cherries. So we are drawing cherries, grapes, apple and cherries.
Hickory dickory dock. The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The dog barked at the clock.
Now we are using green color to fill the leaves of grapes. This bunch of grapes, we are giving green color to its leaves.
The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The bee buzzed round the clock.
As we have discussed that there are many types of grapes on the basis of their colors. So the color we are giving to our grapes is purple color. Purple grapes. Slowly by slowly we are filling purple color in all the grapes.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Now we are using red color
He had a great
to fill in our cherries.
horses and all the king's men couldn't put
Red color in cherries. So we are drawing our next fruit, which is watermelon. So you have to draw a kind of semicircle and then add 2 layers just like it, simply following the boundary of the semicircle. Yes, so we are done drawing our watermelon. Now we are putting some seeds, watermelon seeds in it.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty.
Watermelon. So now we are trying pear. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. So now we are drawing our next fruit, which is, anybody guesses? Yeah, it's looking like a banana. What banana? Now let's fill colors in our fruits. We are using yellow color in this piece of pear, and then we will add green color in the next layer and fill our pear with green color. It's a light green color. Watermelon, pear, banana. Watermelon, pear, banana. So we are done filling light green color in our pear. Now we are giving dark green color to the underneath layer of watermelon, then giving yellow color to the next layer. Then we will fill our watermelon. As you know that watermelon is in red color, so we are filling red color in our watermelon. Now we will fill our banana with yellow color. Yellow color. So let's all just repeat: watermelon, pear, banana. Watermelon, pear, banana. Grapes, cherries and apple. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.